All right, step 1. There are parentheses. We are distributing. 4 times y, 4y. 4 times 4, positive 16. Bring down the minus 6. Bring down the 5y plus 1. Step 2, combine like terms. It's the 16 and the negative 6 on the left. 16 minus 6 is 10. There are no like terms on the right, so bring everything down. Now, I need to get variables on the same side. I have a 4y and a 5y. I'm going to choose the smaller one, so it'll be positive, and I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to subtract 4y here and subtract 4y here. You could have subtracted 5y. It would be correct still. You just have a negative variable. This is y plus 1. Y's are on the right, so this time I want constants on the left. So this plus 1 needs to go. So I have 9 equals y, I think. It's not 2 this time. Let's check it. I'm going to rewrite this whole thing, but instead of y's, I'm replacing them with 9's. So 4, not y, but 9 plus 4 minus 6 equals 5y, but instead of y, I put times 9. Now let's simplify. Don't distribute. You have all the numbers. So 4 times 13 minus 6 equals 45 plus 1. 13 times 3 is 39. What's 13 times 4? I don't know. 52 minus 6 equals 46. I think that's correct. 12 minus 6 is 6. All right, so I got the same number on both sides. It checks out. I don't like when it's backwards like this, so I'm just going to rewrite it as y equals 9. You don't have to. And put it in a box. That is the last practice problem. For the exit ticket, you're first going to solve it and check it on the slide, and then the Google form is just going to ask you, what was your first step? What was your answer? And then probably when you checked, what number did you get on both sides? So for this one, what was my first step? It was to distribute. So in my Google form, I would choose the answer that says distribute for number 1. For number 2, what was my answer? Y equals 9. Number 3, when you checked, what number did you get on both sides? For me, I would put 46. So it's the same equation. You do not have to solve a separate problem on the Google form. It's just asking you for your answers from the next slide. So good luck, take your time, and you are ready.